So guys, today we're going on Subic Safari.
We are missing out 2 gangs.
So this guy has 5K subscribers.
I have 10 million.
I have 117, I think. I don't know. I never counted.
Guys, yan. Diyan ka na yan. Hold it.
We are
Okay.
Today we're gonna go to Subic Safari in jeep. We're gonna feed all the animals with my 2 gangsters. And today, after we go to the jeep, next is the ocean park.
Let's go, gangsters. Walk.
Ang,
If you want to join my gang,
hello mga guys, ang haba ng pila. Hindi tayo pupunta
There's
sa
a lot of...
there's a lot of people.
daming tao.
We're the 3 gangsters.
Nasa Pilipinas tayo guys.
Yeah. The blue hat gangster, the no hat gangster, and the black hat gangster.
Next naman guys, after yung mga Subic Safari, yung ocean park naman guys, field trip.
Yeah, we're on
If
ocean.
you want to join my gang, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel.
Also me.
Yes. And this guy, Aki.
He has 10K subscribers. I mean, I'm at 5K subscribers. He has 5K.
Guys, like and subscribe to GN to reach 1 million subs. Please sub to
5,000.
yeah, 5,000. Today mga guys, pupunta na tayo dun sa sa Subic. Nagiging fun na nandito kay Gian. Gian yung may 100 subscribers.
Yeah.
Tabi po
Sorry,
muna tayo
they're
lahat.
speaking.
Doon po tayo sa left, may bus po
They're
nadaan.
speaking
Tayo sa
Tagalog.
left.
Let's go. Let's go, 3 gangsters. Let's go, 3 gangsters.
We are missing 3 gangsters. Jamon, Maki,
Kaiser.
Kaiser. We're missing. This is the 3 gangster.
Hey Gian, wait.
We are 6. If you want to
Can I
join
hold it?
our gang, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.
Yay. Oh my God.
We call this
Can we just...
Ayaw mapagod.
oh my guys.
The pila is so...
We call this please like and subscribe. We're gonna make a new channel.
We're gonna be a challenge. We're gonna feed the tiger.
Today guys,
We're gonna feed the tiger.
I will never do that. Haha, just kidding.
today our channel name the gangsters.